Hello all of you, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to study process involved in an election. The election are the external part of our democratic system. In India, whenever a new Lok Sabha or state assembly is to be elected or elections are to be conducted, its program is decided by the Election Commission of India. When the process of election is going to be conducted and it is conducted or it is decided by the Election Commission of India. Here are some points. Let we will discuss about these points. The process of election can be classified as under announcement of election dates, selection of candidates, nomination and security, allotment of symbols, election manifestos, election campaigning. The word manifesto means a written statement by a political party that explains what it hopes to do if it becomes the government in the future. In a democratic government, proper announcement of dates here and selection of candidates and nomination and security there and allotment of symbols here that those people are participating in the election, they got the proper symbols. These factors of an election process can be as under: the Election Commission announces the dates for election. The President first of all issues the order of notification by which he calls upon the people of the country to elect their representatives to constitute new Lok Sabha or state assembly. The whole program is checked out by the Election Commission. Some of the methods of campaigning are holding the public meeting by candidates, pasting posters on the walls, putting up a large and small hoarding on the roads, corner meeting in the urban areas, putting up banner and door-to-door appear by candidates, radio broadcast and Doordarshan telecast. This process goes on for many days and only stop before 48 hours of polling time. Here that before election there is a public meetings were there and some people they are pasting the posters on the wall near a street, okay, and they are putting a large hoarding near the roads, okay, and there is a in urban area there is a corner meeting were there and there is a putting up banners and door to door appear by candidates and there is a radio broadcast and Doordarshan telecast. This process stop before 48 hours of the polling time, okay. The Election Commission also fixed the duration of polling hours and the counting is done in a higher security of police. The counting may start 2 or 3 days or more after the polling. The Election Commission deploys several officers for the purpose of counting votes. At the time of counting, the candidates and their agents are allowed to be present in the counting hall so that they could see whether counting is done without any kind of bias. In case of any dispute or doubt, after the declaration of results, every winning candidate is given a certificate by the returning officers so that they could take oath with this. Which candidate got the highest number of votes, so he got the certificate from returning officer, okay.